All of you, can you hear me?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, just tell me what is the last thing I've done.
Ma'am, you have to start on adding water as solvent in
Okay, fine.
solvent changing.
Yeah, the TCP, KCP, all of you have understood?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
मैम
Yes.
मैम आप ट्रांसफॉर्म ऑफ ब्यूटेन का एक्सप्लेन कर सकते हो?
Okay, I'll do that. This is the transform, correct?
Yes, ma'am.
And now when you add bromine to this, pi bond will break. Okay, can I say, okay, wait, I'll explain you in a different way. पहले जब ये pi bond है, give me the hybridization of the carbon.
sp2.
sp2.
So can I say this this sigma bond, this sigma bond, this sigma bond and this sigma bond, they are in the plane of the board?
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now consider bromine coming in. So bromine will break this pi bond. And as the bromine comes, suppose this bromine comes from ahead. ये ब्रोमीन आगे से आया है, तो जैसे ये ब्रोमीन आगे से आएगा, कैन आई से ये हाइड्रोजन को पीछे हो जाएगा वो?
Yes,
ma'am.
Yes,
So
ma'am.
hydrogen will go behind the board. This part is understood?
yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Now
Ma'am.
consider अगर ये ब्रोमीन यहाँ से आया है तो दूसरा ब्रोमीन कहाँ से आएगा?
पीछे से.
Upper.
ऐसे क्यों हो रहा है? रुको, मार्कर चेंज नहीं हो रहा है, एक मिनट. हाँ, अब ये ब्रोमीन पीछे से आया है, it's wrong. 1 minute. हाँ, ये ब्रोमीन पीछे से आया है, तो उस तरफ क्या था? हाइड्रोजन था.
Yes, ma'am.
So that will come ahead.
Okay. Ma'am, then how will the meso compound be formed?
Okay, now you have to rotate this in such a way that this methyl and this methyl go in the eclipse configuration. These two methyl groups are in the plane of the board. Okay.
Yes, ma'am. Understood. Understood.
यहाँ पर Br आगे है और हाइड्रोजन पीछे है, और यहाँ पर क्या है?
Hydrogen आगे और
हाइड्रोजन
Br
आगे
पीछे
है
है.
और Br
So
पीछे
अगर
है.
आप इस बॉन्ड को रोटेट करोगे, so that this methyl goes in the same plane as that of the other methyl. Exactly, they should go into the eclipse configuration. So now tell me which form is going to be obtained.
mesoform, ma'am.
Mesoform. Are you understanding?
Mesoform.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, you'll get the
Yes,
mesoform.
ma'am.
Together.
Is this understood now, trans ka?
Yes, ma'am. Yes. Thank you, ma'am.
Okay, so now I was supposed to do, if I, okay, one more thing. Did I do erythro and trio?
Yes, ma'am.
Erythro trio किया था ना मैंने?
हाँ, ma'am.
Okay. So now if you take, instead of CCl4 or CS2 as a solvent, instead of CCl4 and CS2, if you take water as a solvent, can I say water is a polar solvent?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Polar because it has a net dipole moment. Do you agree?
Yes. Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Then the product form. Dibromo तो बनता है, but dibromo is going to be minor product here, because here the major product formed is this. Sorry. The major product formed is going to be this. Okay. In this compound, can I say I have OH and halogen?
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
So this is called as a halohydrin. Halogen यहाँ पे bromine है, so bromohydrin. What are halohydrins? In halohydrins, you have halogen and OH group. That means halogen and alcoholic group in the same molecule. So this is a bromohydrin. अच्छा इसमें हुआ क्या? Let us see. First step will be the same.
Ma'am, which
The
is the
attack.
major and minor?
You're saying something?
Second
Yes,
one
ma'am,
is the
which is
major one now.
major.
Ah, this is the major one.
Okay.
How did I get this major? I'll explain you. Alkene पे पहला अटैक किसका होगा? इलेक्ट्रोफाइल का? इलेक्ट्रोफाइल का होगा. Do you agree?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now when you mix bromine and water, they first react to give you HOBr and HBr. HOBr में OH minus होता है और Br plus होता है. और HBr में कौन सा प्लस होता है, कौन सा माइनस होता है?
H plus.
माइनस.
ठीक है. So can I say इसमें दो पॉजिटिवली चार्ज आयंस हैं और दो नेगेटिवली चार्ज आयंस हैं सॉल्यूशन में?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Okay.
ma'am.
और अल्कीन पे पहला अटैक किसका होगा? इलेक्ट्रोफाइल का.
Yes,
इसमें
ma'am.
से
Yes, ma'am.
इलेक्ट्रोफाइल्स ढूंढो कौन से हैं इलेक्ट्रोफाइल?
Br minus and OH
H1
plus.
Plus and Br plus, am I right?
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Out of these two, which should be a stronger electrophile?
Br plus.
Br.
Of course, Br plus, because it has higher affinity for accepting electrons. Do you agree?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Okay.
ma'am.
So it will be Br plus which will approach the alkene. So first electrophilic attack will occur by Br plus. जैसे ही Br plus आएगा, you'll get the formation of this cyclic bromonium ion. Formation of cyclic bromonium ion I had explained you in the last class.
Yes, ma'am.
एक बार ये साइक्लिक ब्रोमोनियम आयन बना, उसके बाद न्यूक्लियोफाइल हैज टू अटैक. अभी न्यूक्लियोफाइल इसमें दो हैं. कौन से दो हैं?
OH minus.
OH
Br
minus and Br minus.
Out of these two, Br minus can also go and attack, but OH is a stronger nucleophile than Br. So it will be the next second attack will be by OH. Again, OH will attack from the opposite side, and this bond will break, giving you the formation of your bromohydrin. Okay, so this is the major product. Minor will be when the Br minus attacks. Br minus being a poor nucleophile, it doesn't attack easily. OH is a stronger nucleophile, तो वो जल्दी attack करता है, giving you this as the major product. Did you understand this?
Br plus is better electrophile, right?
Br plus is a very strong electrophile, but Br minus is a very poor nucleophile. How to identify कि कौन सा poor nucleophile होगा और कौन सा strong nucleophile होगा? अच्छा, कौन से nucleophiles हैं इसमें? Can I say दो nucleophiles हैं?
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
H minus है और Br minus है. So how to identify which is a stronger nucleophile? Add H plus to this also, add H plus to this also. इसमें H plus add करोगे तो क्या बनेगा?
H2O.
H2O.
और इसमें H plus add करोगे तो क्या बनेगा?
HBr.
HBr.
इन दोनों में से stronger acid कौन सा है?
HBr.
H2.
अगर ये stronger acid है तो ये weaker nucleophile होगा.
Yeah.
जिसका acid strong होता है उसका nucleophile weak होता है. Did you get this?
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
This is a
Yes,
weaker
ma'am.
acid, so this is going to be a stronger nucleophile.
Okay.
So this is a weaker acid, so this is a stronger nucleophile, and this is a strong acid, this will be a weak nucleophile. Did you understand this?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
So just write down the mechanism with water as a solvent.
Ma'am, same process for electrophile also.
This H plus ka addition? No, H plus
Yes.
mein H plus you cannot add. Can I say electronegativity of Br is much higher than hydrogen?
Yes.
तो पॉजिटिव चार्ज किस पे ज्यादा स्टेबल होगा?
Br.
नहीं,
H plus.
H पे ज्यादा पॉजिटिव चार्ज स्टेबल होगा ना, तो इस पे पॉजिटिव चार्ज अनस्टेबल है तो ये पहले अटैक करेंगे.
Okay, ma'am.
That means this is a stronger electrophile. Okay, did you finish writing this?
Yes, ma'am.
Last one, ma'am.
Okay.
Ma'am, can you explain how in the product there are 3 Br atoms?
Product where there are 3 Br atoms.
मैम जो आपने रिएक्शन दिया उसमें CH2 प्लस Br2 है ना वो?
ये वाला ना?
हाँ, और फिर उसके बाद में एक और Br किधर है?
मतलब most of the molecules will go via this. They'll give you this product. Some molecules may give you this also.
Okay, so
Some molecules of ethene will give you this, and most of the molecules of ethene react via this path.
okay, ma'am, thank you.
There will be difference in the last step. Last step में इधर attack कौन करवा रहा है? OH is attacking the carbon, ना?
Yes, ma'am.
The other possibility is Br also attacks this carbon instead of OH. Then you'll get this as the product.
Okay, ma'am, thank you.
Start reaction, the major reactant, yeah, product.
Major कैसे identify किया मैंने?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. How did I identify the major? As I said, in this cyclic bromonium ion, which will attack easily, OH minus or Br minus?
OH
OH
minus.
minus.
Yes, because that is a stronger nucleophile.
Yes.
So the attack of OH is favored over Br minus, and hence the major product will be where the OH minus is attacking.
Okay, ma'am.
Yes,
Okay.
ma'am.
Yes, Sakshi, Br minus is more stable than OH minus. Correct.
Miss, so it
That
can
is why
roam.
HBr is a stronger acid, no?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
So,
if you remember, I have done this. How do you check the acidic strength? Remove the H plus and check the
Yes,
stability
ma'am.
of its conjugate base.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, so OH is not like unstable, so that's why it
Yes, you know,
attaches
water
to
is a
the.
weak electrolyte. You
Yeah.
must have done
Yes,
now in
ma'am.
ionic equilibrium. ये partially dissociate होता है. Am I right?
Yes,
Yes.
ma'am.
Yes,
But
ma'am.
in case of what you say, HBr is a strong electrolyte, no?
Yes, ma'am.
This
Yes.
dissociates completely. And what is the reason behind that?
Yeah,
But Br
electron-
minus is more stable.
Yes, Br minus is negative charge on a large atom. Can I say the electron cloud will be more diffused here?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
The
ma'am.
charge
Yes,
per
ma'am.
unit volume will be less. And if charge per unit volume here is less, in other words, it will be more stable. More stable means it can stay as Br minus. This
Ma'am,
cannot
so-
stay as OH minus. हाँ.
Ma'am, so अगर major product बनता है, then Br minus can roam freely in the solution.
Yes, it will roam freely in the solution.
Okay. Thank you, ma'am.
Done, ma'am.
Okay, have you all finished this?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
So now I'll give you one question. You have to give me the answer for that. This is a JE question. To an alkene when bromine is added in presence of water and a little salt is also sprinkled. Salt क्या होता है? NaCl.
Solvent.
How many products could be formed here? What all can be given? In fact, I'm giving you the products. I'm giving you the options. You have to give me the answer. It's a multiple answer question. Okay, so it's a multiple answer question. You give me the answer for this. Vaishnavi, one of that is wrong. You have given me 4, but answer here are 3 options. There are 3 options correct. Nisarg, you are correct. Parna also is correct. Nahi, Aditya, one option is wrong. Saket, one option is wrong. Navya, you are correct. Yes, Vaishnavi, correct. Amog, one option wrong. Tanmay, again, one option wrong. Tushar, one option is wrong. Yes, Satyam, correct. Rajdeep Singh, you are correct. आदित्य नहीं, आदित्य का गड़बड़ है थोड़ा उधर एक ऑप्शन में. Yes, Tushar, you are correct now. Shivani, you are correct. Rahil, one option is wrong. Nitin, you are correct. Anish is correct. Mitali is also correct. Ayush, नहीं, वो नहीं है आंसर. Ria, one more. देविका नहीं, सी तो नहीं है, सी ऑप्शन सी करेक्ट है ही नहीं. सी आई थिंक बहुत लोगों ने दिया है. How is it possible that C will form? Yes, Rahil, you are correct. Yes, Sakshi, correct. Harshita, correct. Dev is also correct. Sarthak, you are correct. Vidit, you are correct. Hiral, you have given me only one option. Okay, so now let me explain. Answer इसका A है, E है और F है. How A, E and F? पहला अटैक, yes, आदित्य correct. पहला अटैक किसका होगा? अल्कीन में पहला अटैक इलेक्ट्रोफाइल का. अब इलेक्ट्रोफाइल्स कौन से हैं सॉल्यूशन में? Br and water. Bromine and water will first react to give you HOBr. HOBr में OH minus है और Br plus है. तो ये है H plus है, Br minus है. तो जब वाटर और ब्रोमीन को मिक्स करोगे तो ये बनेगा. और Na plus भी है, Cl minus भी है. तो अब इसमें इलेक्ट्रोफाइल्स कौन से हैं बताओ?
OH and Br.
नहीं, OH तो माइनस चार्ज है उसमें.
Br plus and H plus.
Br plus, H plus and Na plus तो इलेक्ट्रोफाइल होता नहीं है. Am I right?
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
तो इन दोनों में से स्ट्रॉन्गर इलेक्ट्रोफाइल कौन सा है?
Br plus.
तो कहना है पहला अटैक Br plus का ही होगा.
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
So the first attack will be by Br plus only, giving that cyclic bromonium ion. Now the second attack has to be by a nucleophiles. Nucleophile. How many nucleophiles are available? Can I say OH minus, Br minus, and Cl minus?
Yes.
ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. So these three nucleophiles can attack. So I can get A, I can get E, and I can get F.
Ma'am.
Did you understand?
Ma'am, the major one will be the F1, right?
Major one is the F1.
Ma'am, NaCl salt won't react with water or bromine.
Does NaCl react with water? नमक को पानी में डालोगे तो क्या होगा?
No, it won't. Sorry.
Can I say it is a strong electrolyte?
Yes, ma'am.
Salt of strong acid, strong base.
Yes.
If it is a salt of strong acid, strong base, they do not undergo hydrolysis. Have you ever done hydrolysis of salts?
No, next part.
Next class.
Okay.
Okay.
Sodium chloride is a salt of strong acid, strong base. तो उसका hydrolysis नहीं होता है.
Ma'am, Br plus is strong electrophile, right?
Yes, yes. तो पहला अटैक Br plus का ही होगा. समझा?
Yes, ma'am.
ये JEE एडवांस का क्वेश्चन है.
Ma'am,
हाँ.
so ma'am, we can conclude that after forming this, so only the strongest electrophiles and nucleophiles will react to form product. Remaining cannot be because it will already be occupied. Can we say that?
नहीं, इसमें देखो H plus और Br plus अगर है सॉल्यूशन में So can I say H plus का chance ही नहीं होगा जब तक Br plus है, because Br plus is a very powerful electrophile. Halogen should not have a positive charge. Am I right?
Yes,
तो
ma'am.
पहला अटैक Br plus का ही होगा. जो second अटैक है वो किसी भी न्यूक्लियोफाइल का हो सकता है. But OH will be preferred here because OH is the strongest of the three. How many nucleophiles are available now? OH minus is there, Br minus is there, and
Cl minus.
Am I right? Out of these three, which is the strongest nucleophile?
OH minus.
OH
हाँ, so
minus.
that will give you the major product. That is this one. उसके बाद second major जो होगा वो ये होगा.
Cl minus.
Yes, because Br minus is the poorest of the three. So if I compare between Br minus, OH minus, and Cl minus, Br minus poorest nucleophile है और OH minus इसमें strongest nucleophile. Is this clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Fine. So I'm done with this reaction now. And in other words, I'm done with electrophilic addition. I'm done with electrophilic addition. Now I'm proceeding to nucleophilic addition, the second class of reaction. इसका नंबर क्या दिया था मैंने? I think okay. What is an addition reaction?
Two reactants combined form.
Two reactants combined to form a single product.
Yes.
Two or more reactants.
Can I say it occurs only on compounds having pi bonds?
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
And nucleophilic addition means the first attack will be by a nucleophile. What is a nucleophile?
Electron pair.
Electron donor.
Yes, it's a Lewis base. So it has to donate a pair of electron. Can I say if the nucleophile has to attack first? That means it has to come and donate electrons. In other words, the substrate should be electron deficient. तभी वो accept कर पाएगा electrons. Do you agree?
Yes,
Yes, ma'am.
ma'am.
Okay. So nucleophiles, they readily attack molecules having the carbonyl group. What is a carbonyl group? C double bond O group is called as a carbonyl
C
group.
double bonded O.
हाँ, तो aldehydes and ketones पे nucleophilic addition reaction होता है. Okay, reaction nucleophilic addition is readily going to occur on aldehydes and ketones because aldehydes and ketones have this carbonyl group C double bond O. Okay, if this carbonyl group, how many lone pairs to be written on oxygen? Two lone pairs. If this molecule reacts, can I say first the pi bond is going to break?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
How would the pi bond break? Homolytic or heterolytic?
Heterolytic.
Heterolytic.
Yes. Which element will take the electron pair?
Oxygen.
Oxygen.
So if it takes the electron pair, the electron pair is transferred here as a lone pair. Give me the formal charges now.
Oxygen minus and carbon plus.
Carbon plus.
इन दोनों में से reactive part कौन सा है ज्यादा बताओ?
Carbon.
Carbon.
Yes. Why is C plus more reactive here than O minus?
Incomplete octet.
Incomplete
Excellent.
octet.
Very very good. Okay. So this has an incomplete octet. Can I say इसका octet complete है?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
This has an incomplete octet. तो reaction पहले यहाँ पर होगा. All of you agree?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
हाँ, तो इसको कौन अटैक कर सकता है? न्यूक्लियोफाइल या इलेक्ट्रोफाइल?
Nucleophile.
Electrophile.
Nucleophile. Electrophile तो positive होगा ना? So nucleophile will come and attack this molecule first. All of you agree?
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
And
Yes,
therefore we
ma'am.
say the addition reactions to aldehydes and ketones, they occur by a nucleophile. And therefore these reactions are classified as nucleophilic addition. Did you understand what I have explained?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am.
Okay. Aldehydes, ketones पे nucleophiles attack सबसे पहले. Why do nucleophiles attack? Because in aldehydes and ketones, the pi bond is the weakest bond. As this pi bond shifts to oxygen, carbon acquires a positive charge and oxygen acquires a negative charge. The more reactive part of this molecule is the C plus because of its incomplete octet. O minus does not react fast, but C plus is going to react fast. और C plus किसके साथ react करेगा? Nucleophile के साथ.
Nucleophile.
इसलिए nucleophilic attack पहले होता है इस molecule पे. All of you have understood this part?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
So I'll
Ma'am,
take the
question.
first. हाँ बोलो.
So, ma'am, is it that this nucleophilic addition predominantly occurs only in compounds having this carbonyl group. Aren't there other examples also where they don't have like this carbonyl group, but
It can also take place on this. Come on, tell me, इसमें pi bond किस तरफ shift होगा?
towards
Nitrogen.
So what charge will carbon get?
Plus.
positive charge.
And what charge will
Octane
nitrogen get?
incomplete.
Negative.
Reactive part बताओ इसमें से कौन सा है?
Carbon octane
Carbon.
incomplete.
Can I say the nucleophile is going to attack first?
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am.
Okay, समझा?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
So it is not necessary C double bond O होगा. You can also have C triple bond N. In other words, carbon should have a pi bond with an electronegative atom. Then nucleophilic additions are possible. Fine. Okay, so let us take the first example here. That is addition of HCN, hydrogen cyanide, to an aldehyde or a ketone. This is an example of nucleophilic addition. Okay, supposing I start with an aldehyde, to which I add HCN. पहला अटैक किसका होगा इसमें बताओ?
CN minus.
Cn
Cn
minus.
minus will attack the carbon. Pi bond is going to shift to oxygen. Give me the formal charge on oxygen now.
Negative.
Negative.
And positive on carbon.
नहीं, पॉजिटिव नहीं आएगा ना.
अच्छा हाँ CN.
Cn ने आके इलेक्ट्रॉन दे दिया है. Am I right?
Yes, ma'am.
अब सेकेंड अटैक किसका होगा बताओ?
Hydrogen.
हाँ. Can I say in this compound you have cyanide and alcohol on the same alcohol in the same compound?
Yes, ma'am.
Such compounds are known as cyanohydrin. I explained what is a halohydrin. Halohydrin क्या होता है?
Carbon having halogen and
Yes.
Hydrogen.
An organic compound having halogen and alcoholic group. Those are known as halohydrins. And if you have cyanide and alcohol on in the same molecule, then it is called as a cyanohydrin. Can I classify this reaction as an addition reaction?
yes.
Are
Yes.
two compounds giving you a single product?
Yes.
These
Yes,
two are
ma'am.
reacting na, to
Yes,
form
yes.
this. So two compounds are reacting to form a single product. Can I also say it is a nucleophilic addition?
Yes. ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Reason?
Because nucleophile is attacking first.
Yes. Because the attack on the substrate is first by a nucleophile. Tell me once you're done.
Done.
Ma'am, wait just 1 minute.
हाँ. Who's Anil? Anil is there in our batch?
No.
Don't know.
खाली अनिल लिखा हुआ है. Should I admit?
No.
It would be safer not to.
Yeah, because that Deep was troubling. So I think he only must be coming with a different name now.
Done, ma'am.
Okay, all of you have finished?
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So now I'll ask you some questions here. If I take formaldehyde, this is acetaldehyde, and this is acetone. Okay. Formaldehyde, acetaldehyde, acetone. I'm adding HCN to all these three. Tell me सबसे पहले react कौन करेगा cyanide के साथ?
Form first.
First one.
Reason?
Plus I effect.
Plus I effect is less.
Very good. Yes. So this is the reactivity order. Do all of you agree to this?
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Yes,
Can you
ma'am.
repeat this?
Nucleophilic addition will be fastest on formaldehyde. Why would nucleophilic addition be fastest on formaldehyde?
Minus I
Yes,
effect.
Shubh, nucleophile is a Lewis base. Can I say when the pi bond shifts, the carbon has a positive charge? वो तो इस पे भी आएगा, but can I say positive charge कम हो जाएगा because of the plus I effect?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
और इस पे positive charge और कम हो जाएगा because it is getting electrons from
Both
both the
sides.
sides.
Yes.
So the positive charge being less, can I say nucleophile will attack slowly here?
Yes, ma'am.
All of you agree?
Yes, ma'am.
तो इसमें अगर plus I effect आ गया तो nucleophilic addition reactions are very, very slow. That gives you this reactivity order. Formaldehyde is going to be more reactive than acetaldehyde, and acetaldehyde is more reactive than acetone.
Ma'am,
Bolo.
ma'am, can we almost neglect my plus I effect of single hydrogen? Like in
Yes, yes. Hydrogen we have to take it as zero, no? Inductive is taken as zero.
yes, ma'am.
Okay. Tanvi, if minus I effect होगा तो फिर definitely it will react faster because minus I effect से carbon पे charge बढ़ जाएगा positive, so nucleophile will attack faster. There is one more reason. The other reason given here is steric hindrance. Steric hindrance सबसे ज़्यादा किसमें होगा?
The last one.
Can I say ketone में ज़्यादा होगा steric hindrance?
Bulky group.
Yes, bulky group होगा तो nucleophile को जल्दी आने नहीं देगा carbon की तरफ. So one reason is the inductive effect, and the second reason you have to give is steric hindrance. That gives you this reactivity order. इन दोनों में से कौन सा पहले रिएक्ट करेगा?
नीचे वाला.
Second one.
Second one.
Second one.
इसमें माइनस आई इफेक्ट आ गया.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So this is going to react faster. Cyclohexane, carbaldehyde, or benzaldehyde, which will react faster?
Second.
Benzaldehyde.
Reason?
Aromatic.
So aromatic, so what?
Resonance.
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 Resonance में क्या होगा?
Shifting.
Shifting of pi bonds.
बेंजीन क्या कर रहा है उसको? इलेक्ट्रॉन ले रहा है कार्बन
Plus
से?
R.
Is the benzene taking electrons?
No, ma'am.
No.
ऊपर
What is
वाला.
benzene doing?
Giving.
Giving electrons.
Giving.
Giving. So what will happen to the positive charge here?
Decrease.
Reduce.
Reduce. So will the nucleophile attack faster here?
No,
No,
in the
ma'am.
first one.
First one.
ऊपर वाला.
Got it? Aromatic aldehydes are the least reactive. In
Yes,
fact,
ma'am.
aromatic aldehydes and ketones do not readily undergo nucleophilic addition. समझा?
Yes,
Because
ma'am.
benzene वहाँ पे electrons देता है carbon को. All of you are understanding?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Benzaldehyde or paramethoxybenzaldehyde, which will be more reactive?
First one.
Second one.
Second one.
Second one.
Second one.
Reason you have to give.
Plus R is less.
CH3O
Plus R is less
Can
than.
I say this is a donating group?
Yes,
Yes.
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
So it will donate by plus R effect. Am I right? So
Yes,
the
ma'am.
electron deficiency on this carbon will become still less. So nucleophile जल्दी attack नहीं करेगा इसमें. Got it?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Repeat once again.
Benzene is giving electrons to this carbon. Along with benzene, even the oxygen is giving by plus R.
Okay, miss, got it. Thank you.
Okay. Benzaldehyde or paranitropenzaldehyde?
Second
First
one.
one.
First,
Second one.
second one,
First one.
second one.
Second one minus I effect also.
More.
Can I say this is going to withdraw electrons from benzene?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
और उसी पोजीशन से पैरा पोजीशन से withdraw करेगा वो. So can I say benzene will not be able to give electrons here as much?
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Positive charge
Number
here would become more, and positive charge यहाँ बढ़ेगा तो nucleophile जल्दी attack करेगा. Are you
Yes.
understanding?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
So can you understand the importance of GOC?
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Ma'am,
ma'am.
can you explain the second one?
कौन सा second वाला? ये वाला?
हाँ.
इसमें जैसे ये pi bond shift होगा, benzene will give the electrons to this carbon by plus R.
Yes.
So the positive charge here will become less, ना? तो nucleophile जल्दी attack नहीं कर पाएगा ना इसमें. Positive
Okay.
charge should be very high, then only the nucleophile will attack faster. Got
Okay.
it?
Yes. और मैम ऊपर वाले में बेंजीन भी दे रहा है ना और ऑक्सीजन भी.
हाँ, ऑक्सीजन भी दे रहा है यहाँ पर. Did you all finish writing this?
Ma'am, can you explain the last one again?
Please wait.
Last one, can I say the benzene has to give electrons to this carbon, but nitro will not allow that because nitro is also withdrawing from benzene.
Okay.
So nitro का minus R है ना, minus R के साथ minus I भी है.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Have you all finished writing this?
Miss,
2 minutes.
Wait.
Someone
yes,
wants to
miss,
ask?
yes, miss, वो सबसे जो ऊपर है ना टॉप मोस्ट
हाँ,
कॉर्नर में, हाँ
ये
ये
वाला?
वाला, तो उधर भी फर्स्ट वाला जो है वो इलेक्ट्रॉन्स देगा ना, इसलिए न्यूक्लियोफाइल अटैक नहीं करेगा.
न्यूक्लियोफाइल को यहाँ पर अटैक करना है ना. अब
Yes.
यहाँ पर पॉजिटिव चार्ज
तो
कम हो
benzene
जाएगा.
ring-
कम क्यों हो जाएगा?
क्योंकि बेंजीन रिंग इलेक्ट्रॉन देगा.
बेंजीन दे रहा है और साथ में ऑक्सीजन भी
Yes.
दे रहा है ना बाय प्लस आर.
यस मिस. ओके.
Yes, Vineet, correct. You are correct what you have said. Nucleophiles will attack the less stable carbocation first. Yes.
Basically, we need to see how much the positive charge of carbon has been reduced, right? And then
Yes, if the positive charge is getting reduced, the nucleophile will not attack as easily.
okay, ma'am, thank you.
Have you all finished this?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Now I'm adding HCN to this. But I'm adding only one equivalent. One equivalent matlab kya? One of the aldehyde will react here. You have to tell me which aldehyde. This is one aldehyde marked as A and this is the other one marked as B.
First one.
A.
B.
A.
A. First.
Then down one and nitrite.
अरे ये थोड़ी react करेगा. इन दोनों aldehyde में से बताओ कौन सा है?
B.
A. A.
B.
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 Okay, why do you say so?
Hydrogen bonding.
And because it is closer to N.
Because minus R effects only in ortho and para position.
So nitro is going to withdraw from this position by minus R minus I.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
और ये पोजीशन से कौन सा इफेक्ट होगा नाइट्रो का?
Minus I.
खाली माइनस आई.
Yes.
Do you agree?
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
Yes.
इस पोजीशन पे नाइट्रो का दोनों आएगा, -R भी आएगा, -I भी आएगा. तो अब बताओ कौन से कार्बन पे पॉजिटिव चार्ज ज्यादा आएगा?
A.
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 So definitely the product is going to be here. ये OH होगा, CN होगा. Did you all understand this?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
No, miss, can you explain again?
Yes,
Okay.
miss.
Okay. Nitro shows -I effect on the ring. Along with -I, it also shows -R.
Yes,
Yes.
miss.
और रेजोनेंस कौन से पोजीशंस पे होता है?
Ortho and para.
हाँ, so can I say nitro will withdraw by resonance from ortho and para position?
Yes, miss.
Yes.
But इस पोजीशन पे वो रेजोनेंस से नहीं विड्रॉ करेगा, खाली इंडक्टिव से विड्रॉ करेगा. डू यू एग्री?
Yes, miss.
तो इस पोजीशन पे इलेक्ट्रॉन डेफिशिएंसी ज्यादा हो जाएगा ना, बिकॉज इस पोजीशन से नाइट्रो दोनों इफेक्ट्स आ रहे हैं उसके. कौन से? -R भी आ रहा है, -I भी आ रहा है. डू यू एग्री?
Yes, miss.
तो यहां से बेंजीन इसको इलेक्ट्रॉन नहीं दे पाएगा. क्यों नहीं दे पाएगा? क्योंकि इस कार्बन से नाइट्रो विड्रॉ कर रहा है बाय बोथ द इफेक्ट्स. आर यू अंडरस्टैंडिंग?
हाँ, miss.
So benzene will not be able to give electrons here. And if benzene is not being able to give electrons here, can I say the positive charge on this carbon will become very high when the pi bond shifts here?
Yes, miss.
So the nucleophile cyanide will attack here, no?
Okay, miss. Got it. Thank you.
Got it?
Yes,
इस
miss.
पोजीशन पे नाइट्रो का कौन सा इफेक्ट आएगा?
Minus
-R
I.
minus
इस पे
I.
आया. हाँ, और इस पे खाली -I आएगा. Do you agree?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So this is how we predict the product form. Okay. You have to predict. You cannot remember anything. You cannot cram up. There are millions and trillions of reactions. You have to understand the reactivity and predict the product.
मैम प्रोडक्ट में स्टेरिक हिंडरेंस नहीं होगा?
होगा ना, स्टेरिक हिंड्रेंस तो होगा ना इसमें, बट स्टेरिक हिंड्रेंस के साथ इसमें एच बॉन्डिंग भी हो सकता है. ये जो OH है, that can form a H bonding here. I'll show it to you.
पर रोटेट नहीं होगा?
H इसका H bonding हो सकता है ऐसा. ये रोटेट कैसे होगा? sp3 है ना, कहीं पे भी रोटेट होगा तो सेम ही होगा ना.
ओके.
sp3 टेट्राहेड्रल होता है, am I right?
Yes, ma'am.
या
Okay, this example all of you have understood?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Can I proceed ahead?
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
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 Okay, so now I'm taking the second example. The first example was addition of HCN to aldehyde and ketone. The second is addition of. Are you saying something? I'm not able to hear. Next is addition of Grignard reagent to aldehyde or ketone. Yes, Tanvi, just 1 minute. Want the previous page? Yeah.
हाँ, वो नीचे का भी स्ट्रक्चर लिखना है.
नहीं, not required. He was just asking कि molecule stable है या नहीं. Stable तो होगा because H bonding है उसमें.
Okay, ma'am.
I forgot writing 9. ठीक है, can I proceed ahead?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Next, you write down addition of aldehyde. Addition of Grignard reagent to aldehyde or ketone. Now, what is Grignard reagent? Grignard reagent is an organometallic compound. What do you understand by organometallic?
It is organic compound but contains a metal.
Organometallic compounds contain a carbon bonded to a metal. You should have a metal carbon bond. Then only then the compound can be classified as organometallic. Like if I take this compound, is this organometallic?
Yes.
No.
Yes.
No, miss.
It
Sorry.
is
Is with
oxygen
oxygen.
bonded to metal.
Oxygen, yes, miss.
So this is not organometallic. Samjha?
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
So now I'll tell you what is Grignard reagent. Grignard reagent is RMgX. R is the alkyl group. Say the alkyl
Ma'am,
group.
could
if
you
it
tell
is
the sentence what you said for Grignard reagent again?
Grignard reagent is an organometallic compound. And organometallic compounds are those in which you have a carbon bonded to metal. So the formula for Grignard reagent is RMgX. R here stands for any alkyl group. Say if the alkyl group is methyl, then magnesium, and X is for the halogen. Can I say in this carbon is bonded to metal?
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
So this is an organometallic compound. Okay, it's an organometallic compound.
Yes, but ma'am, why only Mg?
Because Grignard, Vivian Grignard, he prepared the first organometallic compound using magnesium.
Okay,
You have
ma'am.
many organometallic compounds, but the first organometallic compound was prepared by Vivian Grignard, who used magnesium. Okay, he took an alkyl halide. Alkyl halide क्या होता है? This is an alkyl halide to which he added magnesium. Solvent he used for preparing was dry ether. Using this, he got the first organometallic compound, that is CH3MgBr. For which Vivian Grignard received a Nobel Prize. Now, what is so special about this compound that he had received a Nobel Prize for this? In everyday life, millions of organic compounds are being synthesized. All of those people don't receive Nobel Prizes. So there has to be something very special about this reagent. Only then it is eligible for a Nobel Prize. Am I right?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
So it was the first time in the history of organic chemistry that he reversed the polarity of carbon. Could you tell me what is the polarity of carbon here? Can I say carbon here will be plus and bromine will be minus?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
But in Grignard reagent, carbon is minus. Magnesium पे charge बताओ?
Positive.
Plus.
Positive.
Plus 2 होगा. और halogen पे?
Minus
Negative.
-1.
So it was the first time that the polarity of carbon was reversed, for which he received a Nobel Prize. In other words, can I say here he has generated the first carbanion?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
He has generated the first carbanion. And here, can I say it is a nucleophile?
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
How many nucleophiles are there in this compound?
2.
2.
Out of these, could be you tell me now which is a stronger nucleophile?
BR.
How to check the nucleophilic strength? I have just now explained you all, just 15 minutes back.
Adding H plus.
Adding H plus. If you add H plus to this, you will get what?
HBr.
HBr.
H plus add करोगे तो?
CH4.
Methane. You are saying methane is a stronger acid than HBr?
No.
No.
That is what you all told me just now.
CH3 is a stronger nuclear.
That is why you are told me Br minus is a stronger nucleophile.
Yes.
So methane is a stronger acid?
No,
No.
ma'am.
Methane is not at all an acid. समझा? So इसका nucleophilic strength is much larger than the nucleophilic strength of halogens. This is a very strong nucleophile, very powerful nucleophile, a carbanion. समझ में आया? Because negative charge is not stable on carbon. Negative charge halogen पे stable होता है. Do you agree?
Yes, ma'am.
That is why HBr is a stronger acid. Is methane a strong acid?
No.
No.
Not at all.
Because negative charge is not stable on carbon. समझा?
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
So Grignard reagent, all of you have understood. What is the formula for Grignard reagent?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
इसमें कार्बन पे नेगेटिव होता है, मैग्नीशियम पे +2 चार्ज होता है और हैलोजन पे माइनस होता है. और इसका न्यूक्लियोफिलिक पार्ट कौन सा है? It is R minus. This
R
doesn't
minus.
behave as a nucleophile here. R minus will behave as a nucleophile.
હું
Is this
તને
understood,
ઓલું
all of you?
બીજું એક જે વન ટાઈમ યુઝ વાળું માસ્ક હોય ને એ આપે એક મિનિટ ડબલ પહેરો
Deep.
અને નહીં તો ઉભા રહો એક મિનિટ ઉભા રહો એક મિનિટ ઓલું
Why today the number of students are so less?
Rain.
Rain. Very good. What a reason to tell me. Rain.
Yes, ma'am.
बहुत लोग का वाईफाई गया है.
अच्छा वाईफाई गया है.
Bunk.
Is it raining very heavily over there?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Very much in check.
Flood.
Because here where I am staying it is so hot. इतनी गर्मी है यहाँ पर temperature is around 50 degrees Celsius.
Where, miss?
I'm in Abu Dhabi. Abu Dhabi. I'm in currently in Abu Dhabi.
I'm vacation.
Vacation नहीं जब से आई हूँ नवंबर से यहीं पड़ी हूँ. वहाँ आने ही नहीं मिला है अभी मुंबई में.
मैम क्या वेकेशन मिल गया आपको? तो
वही मिस.
आप तो मस्त उधर एंजॉय कर रहे हो.
क्या एंजॉय कर रही हूँ? गर्मी में कोई एंजॉय कर सकता है? I can't go anywhere
एसी
out.
है ना उधर मैम?
हाँ तो घर पे ही बैठना पड़ता है ना वही है.
मैम लेके आना वहाँ से.
क्या चाहिए?
Ma'am,
Ferrari
lockdown
World
है
बाकी है मेरा. हाँ Ferrari World is yet. I have to see that. I just visited Warner Brothers and Desert Safari वगैरह सब किया. Ferrari World is. हाँ, what you are saying? Tell me.
I'm Burj Khalifa.
ये लिख
Ma'am,
लिया है पूरा? हाँ. Yes. Tell me.
Generally in chemistry, how do chemists come to know exactly in which reaction which catalyst to use? Is it just by experience or we can even predict which catalyst to use?
No, my dear, you cannot predict. Once a reaction has to be, it has to be. Why do we do PhD then? PhD में करते क्या हैं? PhD is all research, no? You have to bring about a reaction, I think more than 500 times to check which are the best conditions for the reaction to occur. Using different reagents, using different temperatures, using different pressures. So it's trial and error. That is research work. Got it? It is very, very frustrating. Research work is not that simple. I have done PhD, so I know.
So ma'am, it's just research which helps to do all that.
Yes. For 2 years, in fact, 2.5 years, I used to just do one single reaction with different changes in conditions, different changes in catalyst. वो करते तब जाके कुछ क्लिक होता है. समझा?
Yes, ma'am.
You have to see the best way it works. The yield also should matter. Yield मतलब क्या? Maybe the procedure is easy, the chemicals are less costly and all that, they're cheaper. But then finally, if you're getting the yield to be very poor, will it help? So all that has to be taken care of. Okay, that is research work. That is done all by the chemist in their PhD. Fine.
मैम तो जब आप ऐसे एक ही रिएक्शन पे आपको पीएचडी मिल जाता है क्या कि हाउ मेनी मतलब यू हैव टू प्रूव हाउ मेनी
रिएक्शंस on a single reaction.
अच्छा you can get on a single reaction.
Yes.
अच्छा.
Which reaction was it?
Mine was synthesizing benzophenone derivative.
Ma'am, you have done PhD in chemistry.
I did for 2.5 years, but then I couldn't complete my PhD because my guide, he met an accident. So we lost him during that. So I had to wait for another guide for another 6 months. And after that, the guide told me that, the new guide, he told me that he doesn't want to, he's not interested in this particular subject on which I'm doing. So he wanted me to change the entire topic. And I didn't have the capacity enough now left. Okay. So first only I had worked on the particular topic for 2.5 years. And then after that, I had to wait for 6 months for another person to take care of. And then after that, he told me that he doesn't want to continue with this same reaction. So then I had to leave. It was bad
तो
luck.
आपको चॉइस नहीं रहता है क्या कौन सा रिएक्शन यू वांट टू डू?
नहीं, that is given by your guide.
अच्छा.
ठीक है, ये लिख लिया है पूरा?
मैम
हाँ
मैम, ये जो CH3MgBr है, that is a type of Grignard reagent.
Yes. Any RMgX will be Grignard.
Okay.
Even C2H5MgCl is Grignard.
Yes, ma'am.
In other words, you should have an alkyl group bonded to magnesium and magnesium के साथ एक halogen भी होना चाहिए. ठीक है?
हाँ मैम.
So मिस
General
हमेशा उसी
formula
फॉर्म
for
में होगा?
Grignard. हाँ?
हमेशा उसी फॉर्म में होगा ना, R, Mg और X?
Yes. Grignard is RMgX.
Okay, miss.
Okay. So now we'll do the addition of Grignard reagent to an aldehyde. So this is your aldehyde. That is acetaldehyde I've taken. To this I'm adding CH3MgBr. All Grignard reactions have to be carried out in dry ether as a solvent. So ये solvent है, dry ether. Okay. That is what I'm doing, Amog. I'm doing the application of Grignard reagent. Give me the charges here.
Minus plus minus.
Minus on carbon,
Plus 2.
plus on magnesium and minus on bromine. कार्बन पे अटैक किसका होगा पहले?
Nucleophile.
कौन अटैक करेगा बताओ?
CH3 minus.
Yes, this will go and attack the carbon. As this attacks the carbon,
Pi bond shifts up.
pi bond will shift. This shifting of pi bond is called as electromeric shift. Okay, so CH3 will now join with carbon. Give me the formal charge on oxygen.
Negative.
So can I say इसके बाजू में magnesium आ जाएगा? Due to electrostatic attraction.
Yes, ma'am.
क्योंकि ये नेगेटिव है तो मैग्नीशियम will come and stay close to this. मैग्नीशियम आया तो ब्रोमीन को भी ले आएगा वो. So can I say this is an addition reaction?
Yes.
Yes,
Are
ma'am.
two compounds reacting to form a single
One
product?
product form.
Yes.
हाँ.
Yes.
पहला अटैक किसने किया मॉलिक्यूल पे?
CH3
CH3 minus.
न्यूक्लियोफाइल अटैक कर रहा है, so this is a nucleophilic addition. समझा?
Yes, ma'am.
अब ये जो कंपाउंड बना है, ये जो एडक्ट बना है, एडक्ट मतलब एडिशन प्रोडक्ट बना है, ये है तो स्टेबल बट इट इज यूजलेस, नॉट ऑफ मच यूज. सो व्हाट दे डू इज दे ऐड वाटर टू दिस इन प्रेजेंस ऑफ एसिड. एसिड अपना H+ देगा. H+ कहाँ पे अटैक करेगा? कुड यू टेल मी?
Br minus.
Br.
Oxygen.
Negative.
Oxygen. Okay.
Oxygen.
So negative will attack that oxygen.
Formal charge on oxygen will be 0 now.
Yes. Okay. तो ये अल्कोहल बन गया और मैग्नीशियम बाहर आ जाएगा. मैग्नीशियम विथ
Br.
ब्रोमीन और वाटर का OH इसके पास आ जाएगा. समझा? तो ये क्या बना है? ये प्रोडक्ट क्या बना है?
Hydrine something.
Can I say alcohol?
Yes, ma'am.
Alcohol.
Yes, ma'am.
Alcohol has been prepared from aldehyde using which reagent?
Grignard.
Grignard.
Grignard reagent.
Grignard can convert an aldehyde to alcohol. Which alcohol have I got here? 1 degree, 2
Hydrine.
degree or 3 degree?
2 degree.
2 degree.
Yes. So I have prepared a 2 degree alcohol using aldehyde and Grignard reagent. Anyone who's not understood can ask.
Ma'am, can you just please explain the part of H2 and H+, why it will attack NH? I could not
Oxygen has a
understand.
negative charge
Yes, ma'am.
and Br also has a negative charge. So H+ preferably किसके पास जाएगा? You have to tell me. Negative किस पे unstable होगा?
It will be unstable more on oxygen.
हाँ, इसलिए H+ उसको अटैक करेगा ना.
Yes, ma'am, understood.
Ma'am,
हाँ.
ma'am, that will be methyl hydrine, right?
तो कौन सा?
The 2 degree one.
ये अल्कोहल है. OH ग्रुप है ना, फंक्शनल ग्रुप.
Yes.
मिथाइल हाइड्रोजन नहीं होगा ये अल्कोहल है. वो हाइड्रेन जो अलग होता है, हाइड्रेन में 2 फंक्शनल ग्रुप्स होते हैं, जिसमें एक अल्कोहल होता है और दूसरा एक फंक्शनल ग्रुप होता है। इसमें एक ही फंक्शनल ग्रुप है। कौन सा फंक्शनल ग्रुप है?
OH.
हाँ, तो बस ये अल्कोहल ही है, समझा?
Okay, ma'am. Okay, ma'am. Thank you.
So Grignard has reacted with this aldehyde to give you a 2-degree alcohol. Could you tell me how to prepare a 1-degree alcohol using this method? Could anyone suggest? If I want to prepare a 1-degree alcohol, can I prepare?
Remove H.
From?
Carbon.
Methanol.
Very good. Yes. Instead of acetaldehyde, I'll use formaldehyde. Now do the same reaction with formaldehyde and tell me the alcohol which you're going to get here.
Ma'am, you remove CH2.
Yeah, I removed CH2 ना, कार्बन हटा दिया तो फॉर्मल्डिहाइड बचा ना। अब ये फॉर्मल्डिहाइड पे अगर ग्रिग्नार्ड ऐड करोगे तो प्रोडक्ट दे दो मुझे पूरा। Can I prepare a 3-degree alcohol here?
Yes.
Using
C2H5.
Acid.
2-methyl group.
C2H5. Yeah.
इथाइल ग्रुप ऐड करोगे, करके देखो।
2 methyl.
2 में
अगर इथाइल ग्रुप यूज किया है तो बताओ मुझे प्रोडक्ट क्या आएगा इसका। Will you get a 3-degree alcohol?
No, miss.
4 degree.
2-degree.
हाँ, so 3-degree चाहिए तो क्या लूँ?
You have to take a ketone.
Very good. Yes. Ketone is going to give you a 3-degree alcohol with Grignard. So I want you to complete all these reactions. इधर प्रोडक्ट्स लिखो यहाँ पर और फिर उसका हाइड्रोलिसिस भी करो।
Yes, ma'am, but please wait. We have to write all this.
Yes, my dear, waiting.
Ma'am, the third reaction will make 1 degree, right?
Yeah, the second reaction you'll get 1 degree.
Then third reaction will make.
You'll get 2 degree. And the last one you'll get 3 degree.
Ma'am,
Yeah, tell me.
in the last reaction, we can take C2H5 as the nucleophile also.
You can take any nucleophile, any alkyl group.
मैम वो MgBrOH सब में सेम रहेगा ना?
हाँ, ये वाला पार्ट सेम होगा सबका।
ओके मैम।
खाली अल्कोहल्स डिफरेंट आएंगे।
Okay, ma'am.
Done, ma'am.
Wait, ma'am.
All of you have finished?
Ma'am, wait, please.
Okay. Did all of you get this?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
So if I want a 2-degree alcohol, can I say I'll use aldehyde other than formaldehyde and Grignard?
Yes, ma'am.
If I want a primary alcohol, I'll go for formaldehyde and Grignard.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
And
ma'am.
if I want a 3-degree alcohol, then
Ketone.
and Grignard. Have all of you understood this part?
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
I
Yes,
repeat, if you want a primary alcohol, use formaldehyde and Grignard. If you want a secondary alcohol, use any aldehyde other than formaldehyde along with Grignard. And if you want a tertiary alcohol, use ketone and Grignard. ठीक है?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So now I'm going to give you some questions. Just copy those questions. I'm going to give you the alcohols, which are the products of the reaction. And I want you to identify the reactants for them. Means I'm going reverse. तुमको समझ में आ रहा है मैं क्या बोल रही हूँ?
Yes, ma'am.
I'm going to give you the products of the reaction. You have to identify the reagents or the reactants which I have used to prepare those alcohols. मतलब basically reverse जा रहे हैं.
समझा मैम.
Ananya, you want to see the last slide? Okay.
Ma'am.
Yes, tell me.
Ma'am, in JEE questions, they will give Grignard reagent of only this type, right? RMGX.
They can give any Grignard ना, R की जगह कुछ भी दे सकते हैं ना, am I right? Any alkyl group they'll give.
Yes, ma'am, I'm talking about the formula.
हाँ, formula Grignard का यही होता है, RMGX.
Okay, ma'am.
हाँ. Ananya, are you done with this?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So now just write down these products of the reaction. You have to identify the reactants.
मैम डायरेक्टली वो लिखना है ना प्रोडक्ट?
हाँ, ये products मैंने दिए हैं. This is for your homework. This is for your homework. These are the products from which you have to identify the reactants. That means you have to pick out the Grignard and the aldehyde or ketone which has been used to prepare this particular compound. Samjha?
Yes.
Are you getting my question?
Yes, ma'am.
And this is the homework.
Sorry?
Is this the homework?
Say a little louder. No, I can't hear you.
Is this the homework?
Yeah, this is for homework. 5 are sufficient or I'll give more?
Bas.
Ma'am, for
Sufficient.
starters, this is enough.
Okay, okay. So just write down these 5 and give me the reactants used for preparing these alcohols.
Ma'am, could you give one example for this? Like, can you explain
Yes,
the
miss.
first
Can
one?
you just show first one?
You want me to show you the first one?
Yes, ma'am.
Instead, I'll show you the second one.
Okay, ma'am.
Second one, there are 3 combinations possible. See, abhi second one mein dekho. This is the alcohol. अब I'm going behind, just see. Can I say ये जो alcoholic group बना है, उसी कार्बन पे जो कोई भी एक कार्बन ये ग्रिग्नार्ड का आया है, can I say ये ग्रिग्नार्ड का आया है?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
So remove this as the Grignard and put a double bond here. That will be your starting compound. समझा या नहीं?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
So I'll do what? I'll remove one of the alkyl group as Grignard. Can I say there are 3 combinations possible?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Alkyl group अलग-अलग हैं?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
I remove this as the Grignard. So I'll get CH3MgBr. Yes?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
और ये निकाल दिया तो यहाँ पर डबल बॉन्ड डाल देना है. So I'll have C2H5, C double bond O, CH2, CH2, CH3. This is one combination. This combination is going to give you this product. Could you help me with the second combination?
C2H5
C2H5
Yes.
CH3C double bond.
Plus CH3, C double bond O, CH2, CH2, CH3. Can I say this combination will also give you the same product?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Yes,
And what
ma'am.
about the third combination?
CH2, CH3, MgBr.
Plus CH3, C double bond,
CH2.
CH2. So all these 3 combinations will give you the same product. Yes. Okay. All of
Ma'am,
you have
this is the addition reaction, that's correct.
yes, nucleophilic addition se hoga ye.
Yes, ma'am.
So accordingly, you'll give me for the others.
Miss, do we have to write all the combinations?
Of course, my dear.
Okay.
Have to do it right now, or is it for homework?
These are for homework. So once you've copied, you all can leave. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, miss. Thank you.
Okay. Okay.
Thank you, ma'am. Bye, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am. Bye.
Bye, all of you.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.
Ma'am,
हाँ, tell me.
Ma'am, how will we know if a reaction is stereospecific?
Stereospecific reactions will occur only on stereochemically. जो reactant होते हैं उनका stereochemistry होना चाहिए.
मैम
Means-
वो पता कैसे चलेगा?
अरे तुम्हारा reactant जैसे अगर butene है, can I say butene में there are two forms of butene?
हाँ.
Cis and trans. So
Yes.
does butene show stereochemistry?
Yes.
हाँ. और उस पे अगर reagent इस तरह से add हो रहा है कि that generates again a stereo center, then the reaction has to be stereospecific.
Okay, ma'am.
तो
Yes.
reactant भी stereochemistry बता सकता है उसमें और product भी stereochemistry बता सकता है. Got it?
Yes, ma'am. Yes. Thank you, ma'am.
Okay.
Ma'am, can you explain formaldehyde का mechanism? from the
किसका?
previous page? Formaldehyde.
Okay, ये लिख लिया है सबने?
Yes, ma'am.
ये वाला चाहिए?
हाँ, yes, ma'am.
CH3
यहाँ
माइनस
मतलब
अटैक
एक
किया.
हाइड्रोजन कम आ रहा है मैम. तो
अच्छा देखो, CH3 माइनस ने यहाँ पर अटैक किया, pi bond को शिफ्ट किया.
yes,
So
ma'am.
this is that carbon with the 2 hydrogen and a methyl group. So carbon with 2 hydrogen and a methyl group, and oxygen has an MgBr. फिर इसका जब हाइड्रोलिसिस करोगे तो ये O माइनस के पास H प्लस आ जाएगा. That's all. So it will be CH3 CH2OH. That is what I have written. CH3
Okay, ma'am.
CH2OH.
OH और Mg और MgBrOH.
MgBrOH बनेगा.
हाँ, yes, ma'am. Thank you.
ठीक है?
मैम और उसके बाद का यही होगा ना CH3 CH C2H5OH.
ये वाला बोल रहे हो ना?
हाँ
हाँ तो इसमें भी ये C2H5 ग्रुप अटैक करेगा ना इधर.
हाँ.
ठीक है? तो
Okay.
फाइनल प्रोडक्ट में क्या हो जाएगा? CH3 CH और इसी कार्बन पे C2H5 होगा और ये OH हो जाएगा.
H5OH. Yes, ma'am.
ठीक है?
Okay, ma'am. Thank you.
हाँ. ठीक है? Anything else? Okay. Bye all of you. I'm ending the class. Huh?
Thank you, ma'am.